I've been able to get a lot more of what I want in life by adopting this chill lifestyle. I'll talk about exactly what I mean in a second, but first, let me introduce myself. I'm Timothy, 18 years old. I've been posting these videos for almost 4 years now. I have a community with 6,000 people. I have this community also where I help lower people's screen time. It's in the description. But the first thing I want to talk about, being chill doesn't mean that I don't care or being nonchalant. It means that I only care about the things that are important to me. A few days ago, I had this combined wrestling practice where a bunch of different schools came to our school and we did a wrestling practice. And since I was one of the only people from our school there, I had to lead the warm-ups. And there's this one exercise that I did called the dive bombers. Nobody knew what it was, but I'm going through the warm-ups. I'm leading the counting. So I say one, everyone else says two. I say three, they say four. So I'm basically just doing that for all the sort of stretches. And then when we do the push-ups, the crunches, and then we do these dive bombers. I don't want to explain what it is. I'll show you a little video snippet of it. But basically, I had to do that. It was so weird because nobody knew what it was. I was just like, dive bombers, let's go. So I had to explain that on how to do it. Everyone was starting to laugh and, it looks a little weird. It looks freaky. But I still did it because honestly, I didn't care about how it looks. I understand that it's like funny to people, but I just wanted to get it done. I could have been like, yeah, this is really weird. I don't want to do this, but I realize that I don't have to react to everything that happens in my life, and I can make the unimportant things that happen stay unimportant, whether it's something like that or I spill a bit of orange juice. I just clean it up and then don't make a big deal out of it. I only make a big deal and care about the things that are genuinely important to me, which is like my health, my just personal self, my goals that I'm trying to accomplish, important stuff like that. The next thing is less is more. Having less things to worry about or think about gets you to do more stuff, have a bigger impact. I'm also completely fine with silence, with being quiet. It gives me time to just reflect, think, always have some type of optimism on how I can use this time to my advantage. Right now, it's pretty quiet. If you like the environment, just consider subscribing. It's free. I have more videos like this, and I'm sure you can tell that this video is different. It's not edited or as stimulating as other videos. I want to keep it that way because I feel like that's how you can learn, apply something, and genuinely do it in your life instead of just use it to distract yourself or get attention stolen somewhere. So you can just focus and apply what you learn. Also, another thing, I don't try to live other people's life or perform for other people. I just want to do what I want to do, and that saves so much time and energy. I'm confident with what I do because of the four other things I talked about and what I'm about to talk about. I don't need to also win every moment, every little argument, every little thing. Sometimes you just have to let other people do what they want to do. I just feel like silence is golden, and also having fewer notifications, being quiet. I feel like this word is cringe, but I feel like it kind of matches what I'm trying to talk about. This quiet aura, having your actions speak for you instead of your words. And by the way, I don't think I'm perfect at this, or I don't think that this is the only way to live. I just want to show you and talk about how my thoughts are going about me living my life the way I live it and how it feels. It feels like I'm able to do a lot of stuff because of these principles that I just talked about. And if it sounds like something you want to try, or if it's something interesting, I'll tell you how I do it with some actionable steps so you can apply it and try it out in your life. And you can also just take some of these things with a grain of salt and say, oh, I like this piece, I don't know. Just take that piece and apply it in your life. Use your own life. Don't try to live my life or anyone else's. So the first thing you can do is control your attention. Don't have your attention just thrown around and stolen by a bunch of people, by a bunch of videos, reels, shorts, TikToks, whatever you watch. That's why I have the screen time challenge community, because I feel like once you save those hours that add up every single day, you genuinely save years of your life. There was one comment that I had on one of my videos. It was 4 hours of scrolling is 17 years of your life. Imagine all the other things you can do with those 17 years besides just, oh, I don't know what to do, I just want to scroll my brain away. You just get so much more opportunities to do other things, to read a book, to learn some new thing, master something, get really good at a skill, and then use that skill in any other field in your life and see more success because of that. I feel like I've been able to get smarter actually, because instead of using all my time that I scroll to scroll, sometimes I just play chess, and then it doesn't have to be extremely boring. Chess is still like a game, but playing chess has got me smarter by just like thinking about the moves ahead and what is the best move and all that stuff. Having better ways to spend that time where you're not exactly trying to do something but just wind down or whatever. Also, the Screen Time Challenge just has a community of like-minded people who all want to get better. There's accountability, weekly calls, daily activity from me, and there's a lot more interesting stuff. People like Vlad, Sophia, Jace, and so many other people have been able to improve in the Screen Time Challenge. So if it's something you're interested in, just check out the description and see if you like it. Another thing you can do is just stop for a second and relax. Enjoy the present moment. Right now, I'm enjoying how quiet it is. There isn't noise. It's sound to my ears. Having a few moments in your day where you can be fully present in something. Feel how you're cold or you're warm. Feel how your hands feel. Focus on something in your room, whatever it is. Being present, stopping to smell the flowers instead of trying to run through the meadow, I would say. That's why I like these low dopamine videos. You wouldn't just watch the video because there's cool sound effects and stuff. So I want to thank you and commend you for actually being able to stick around. Another thing I've been doing is saying no to unnecessary stresses or things you just don't want to do. What's even better is just to not say anything. Don't even try to formulate a response to some question or thing you don't really care about. You don't always have to, just because you have a free schedule or calendar, you don't always have to just fill it up with a bunch of stuff that you don't really care about. Silence is golden. I'm not saying you have to do this for everything, but if there's just stuff you really don't want to do, don't do it. If you have that gut feeling, if you feel like you can have an opportunity to finally do something instead, do that. Use the silence to your advantage. You have so much time to focus, to concentrate on something fully, and not have your attention or flow sucked away. Use this time also to build evidence of your confidence. So, confident people have a lot of proof of what they're doing is working. So, whether that's going to the gym more, building a business, the last thought I want to leave you on is, if you zoom out far enough, you won't see the earth. There's so many little things in life that we've put so much time and energy in which don't really matter. The sun will rise tomorrow, life will move on. There's so many little things that don't really matter. Let me know what you want to see in the comments, what you liked about this video, so I can make more videos like this. And if you have any suggestions or feedback, anything like that, please let me know. I hope you found this video helpful. Consider liking it, subscribing, check out the free community and the screen time challenge I have. Hope you have a great day. Stay chill, stay awesome.